We're talking supreme noise cancellation. Escape the world and just get lost in the music, which is also sounding amazingly crisp with rich details. These right here are the Liberty 4 NC earbuds by Soundcore, and they have unparalleled new features like real-time adaptive algorithms that will take into account your ear canal. It's crazy. Super small form factor as well. Perfect for EDC and traveling. So yeah, let's check it out. I got the new drip from Soundcore, the Liberty 4 NC earbuds in a few colors. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the color options, and now let's unbox one. So here on the back we can pull it off. So check it out on the back. That's the front, that's the side. Here we have the other side, top, and also this on the bottom. There's actually another one on the other side. And let's see. So there we have it. We have the box, well, the charging case, and then we have this divider. And down here we have another tray. And in here we have the charging cable, USB-C to USB-A, and of course the paperwork, quick start guide, and also the safety precautions. There we go. Let's take a look in here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Super detailed. Love to see that, of course. Also, here we have the app, and I actually missed this on the bottom of the tray. We also have the other sizes for the rubber ear cups. So there we go. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. Alrighty, so let's see. Looking so nice. Check this out. So we have stickers on the charge contacts, of course, and after removing them, these will of course get charged. Beautiful case, this will light up white, rounded, nice shape. And the earbuds with the 4th rubber cup looking so refined. Check this out, the form, the shape, amazing. Okay, let's take a close look. So we have the case with the status LED right here, USB-C port down here, back is just blank, as well as the sides and the top. And with pressing this button, it will open up. And that's the case from the inside right there. It's of course magnetic. And the earbuds, they will light up right there, as you can see. Super strong magnet, by the way. And this is also a button. And here we have the earbuds. Amazing shape right there. It's so smooth, it's crazy. Charging contacts right there, as you can see. Let's take these off. So that's that's looking amazing. Quite easy to exchange, but also strongly on there, not bad. And right here on the top we can see this in-ear microphone. Also one up here, pretty cool shapes all in all. And here on the bottom, super tiny Soundcore branding, and this also seems like looks like another microphone, so they look amazing. Check this out. So this was the black version. So black, dark blue, navy blue, bright blue, and pink. Looking really nice. And the color of the earbuds is basically the same as the cover. Sweet. Oh man, I cannot decide. I cannot decide. Well, I will probably take the white or the black version. Good stuff, and now let me tell you all about the specs and the features quickly. The hardware inside of these earbuds is a groundbreaking engineering accomplishment. First of all, they're equipped with a high-performance in-ear sound sensor. Secondly, a low distortion driver with super high sensitivity. And thirdly, an industry-leading noise isolation chamber. And thanks to this combination of new hardware, their new noise reduction system is truly unparalleled. Up to 98.5% noise reduction. Now you know how they did it. And based on real-time calculations, the adaptive ANC 2.0 detects the given noise and creates a new sound filter curve every time you put in the earbuds in real time. And it will not only adapt to your surroundings, but also to your ear canal, talking about your individual shape. Real-time adaptive curves is mind-blowing. 10 hours of playtime with the earbuds and 50 hours of total playtime with the case. IPX4 water resistant and also a wireless charging functionality. To be a bit more specific, these will reduce noise by up to 98.5%. The quiet revolution is here. The noise cancelling will adapt to your ears, to your ear canal, and also to your environment, of course. You have crisp, detail-rich and high-res sound with the, well, thanks to the 11mm drivers in there. And yeah, great battery life. So yeah, let's finally test them. For this, we will of course need the app. I shall test the black ones because they're already ready to go. So let's grab the right one and let's see. Okay, so let's add a device, turn on Bluetooth and the location of course, and give it all the permissions. There we go. So I think this thing needs to light up. Just press it once and it will light up, and there we have it. Pair. So here we go. So we will be greeted by a little walkthrough. First of all, of course, use ear tips that suit you, because this will massively affect the noise cancelling abilities. We will need a great seal so that it can work properly. It's also touch sensitive, and by tapping the touchpad, you can control them. Yeah, and all about the noise cancelling, so let's get started. So first of all, let's check out the app. So we have the picture of the earbuds up here. We have the charge level of all three devices. Then we have noise cancelling normal and the transparency mode. And for each of these modes, we also have additional settings, but let's skip them for now and let's check out the sound effects. So we have a 3D surround sound, which is probably going to sound amazing. And right here we can also set up the Hear ID sound, which is completely accustomed to your ears. And with this we will need to, well, let's do the test, let's see. I can't hear these. Oh, I can hear it. Okay, that is amazing. So that would be my curve right there. Oh, music coming soon. No way! So the first hearing test was, you know, a bit basic, but also not too bad. But this one was actually amazing. With the A/B test, now it came up with this elaborate curve. That is awesome. And once again, we have the bathtub filter, just boosted highs and boosted bass. It will just sound better. So yeah, definitely save that. And the sound is amazing. This of course is an equalizer, and we can of course also switch it back to the default one. And we also have quite a lot of presets, and we also can set up a custom equalizer with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bands, and we can also save it. So great sound altering possibilities. We also can set up the safe volume right here. We can set a time frame. We can limit the high volume, for example, at 90 dBs would probably be a great value right there, so that you don't overdo it, or maybe as a safety precaution for kids. And then we also have the touch controls that we can set up for the left and for the right earbud. So we have four commands, and for the right one, these are the options. I think it would be a good idea to go for the... Oh, this is already cycling through the noise cancelling. Let's also select the normal mode so we can cycle through all three of them with a long press. So let's try that. All right, good stuff. Oh wait, we have more up here. We have the firmware and auto play and pause. We also have a gaming mode with a super low latency. Amazing. We can also change the tones, sound mode. Oh, of course, let's do it. Better codec. A fit test. Yo. So many new awesome features. I can't believe it. So, and now, as I said, let's try out the noise cancelling, and let's also listen to a bit of music while doing it. And what better way of doing it than with the X600? I will use this box to generate a bit of noise with my second phone, and yeah, let's see what will happen when we do the long press. It will also get updated in the app. Oh, and by the way, noise cancelling, so we have different modes: environment detection, manual mode, transportation modes. Oh, this is so cool. The noise cancelling is on a whole other level. And we have the transparency mode. We have a fully transparent and also a vocal mode. A vocal mode. Let's see, the vocal mode, transparency mode. Oh, wow. You will literally just hear your voice. And the rest is a bit damped. But we are of course mainly interested in the noise cancellation, and it will switch back to the normal mode when you remove the second earbud, because obviously it won't work with just one. Pretty genius feature if you ask me. and then it will switch back to the noise cancelling automatically. Wind noise reduction as well. Let's go for the adaptive noise cancelling. The X600 is playing a noise environment, and now let's experience the noise cancelling. Damn, the bass! Oh, and it's automatically stopping the music or the video. I can't hear that whatsoever. That is insane. The bass. How is that possible? Okay, let's switch it up to brown, to white noise maybe. Okay, so that is nasty. So let's see if we can remove it with these earbuds. Whoa! It's getting incredibly quiet, and when the music starts playing, it's gone. You are literally in a whole other world. That is crazy. Whoa! And they sound so good. The bass! How? That is incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Ah, I want to listen more. So if you're traveling a lot, these are a must-have. No kidding, the noise cancelling is absolutely mind-blowing, and what's even better is the sound quality, the bass. The bass and the highs, like everything. I've never experienced it. Honestly, the noise cancelling is almost scary at first, because it seems that it has such a high sensitivity, such a high resolution, that it will literally cancel out everything. That's sounding so strange when there is pretty much nothing left. Well, almost, they say up to 98.5%, but yeah, it's crazy. And even when the noise cancelling is completely off, thanks to the Great Seal, they will already filter out a lot of the outside world. But when you turn it on, when you turn on the noise cancelling, it's a whole other story. Crazy. These in-ear sensors are next level. And on top of that, we have the already mentioned adaptive algorithms that will create a custom sound filter curve tailored to your ear canal. I have never seen or rather heard something like that. Truly next level. And you also have this AB equalizer setup, which is also working so nicely. Other than that, we get low distortion drivers, and that means distortion-free loudness all the way to the max. Crisp music with lots of details, especially in the high end, and strong, freaking strong bass. Just amazing when it gets to listening to music. And of course, that also means we got the high-res audio cert, LDAC high quality and high resolution audio over Wi-Fi certified. Yeah, and lastly, there is no need to worry about the battery life. The earbuds will survive a good 10 hours on just one charge, and the case can sustain them for a good 50 hours. And that is around 2 times longer than what the average competitor can offer, especially for the price point. So affordable for this kind of tech, for this bleeding edge tech. Amazing times we live in. Great job, Soundcore. These are definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy, then I will see you soon.